The Sukhoi Su-57 is a cutting-edge Russian fighter jet that combines advanced stealth technology with highly maneuverable capabilities. With its sophisticated avionics and powerful engines, the Su-57 is designed to dominate the skies and outperform any potential adversaries. Its advanced radar and sensor systems provide unparalleled situational awareness, while its long-range weaponry ensures it can engage targets from a distance. The Su-57 represents the next generation of aerial warfare, and is poised to play a crucial role in Russia's military strategy for years to come. The Sukhoi Su-57 is a twin-engine, stealth multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Sukhoi. It is the product of the PAK-FA program, which was initiated in 1999 as a more modern and affordable alternative to the MFI. Sukhoi's internal designation for the aircraft is T-50. The Su-57 is the first aircraft in Russian military service, designed with stealth technology and is intended to be the basis for a family of stealth combat aircraft. The Su-57 incorporates stealth, supermaneuverability, supercruise, integrated avionics, and large internal payload capacity. The aircraft is expected to succeed the MiG-29 and Su-27 in the Russian military service, and has also been marketed for export. The first prototype aircraft flew in 2010, but the program experienced a protracted development due to various structural and technical issues that emerged during trials, including the destruction of the first production aircraft in a crash before its delivery.